Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. The 9-1 chance, phenomenal power under apprentice Tajay Suckoo for trainer Adrian Prince created a mild upset to win the Diamond Mile, which made a return to the local racing calendar on Saturday. 13 runners went postward in the sixth running of the $10 million Grade 1 Diamond Mile, which made a return to the local racing calendar on Saturday after a 6-year absence. Legacy Isle, Pack Plays and Phenomenal Power dictated the early tempo before Phenomenal Power at 9-1 took command entering the home stretch to create a mild upset.
Legacy Isle is traveling on the outside. Phenomenal Power holding the lead. Legacy Isle drifting out to the right under pressure. Gervana trying to close up, but it is Phenomenal Power inside the final furlong. Phenomenal Power opening up daylight here now with a run. That is Gervana. Phenomenal Power by 2.5 lengths. It's diminishing as they drive to the line. Phenomenal Power beats Gervana in the Diamond Mile. Barnaby flies for third. Royal Poppy is fourth. The
3-year-old Darby Colt, who was one of 3 winners on the card for inform apprentice Tajay Suckoo, covered the trip in 1:34 4/5 of a second, just 1/5 of a second outside the track record. He won by a length. By virtue of Saturday's victory, Phenomenal Power gained automatic qualification for December's 5th running of the ultra-rich Mute Mile. Meanwhile, last year's most improved trainer Peter John Prasad saddled 4 winners on the program, while former champion jockey Ryan Lewis also recorded a 3-timer, 2 of which were saddled by Prasad.
And it's 4 on the day for Peter John Prasad. What a feat. And Ryan Lewis, 3 on the day for Ryan Lewis. Second shooting star. Then comes Ronnie Bangala, Sonny T and Chippy. Back in 5th, that's Oil Machine.
Racing continues next Saturday.